concern, but we'll have to try again after the silence has returned. 'Cause blood makes noise. It's a ringing in my ear. Blood makes noise, and I can't really hear you in the thickening of fear. I'd like to help you, doctor, yes I really, really would, but the din in my head, it's too much and it's no good.